Hi folks, how you doing? 1984 Scottsdale truck. Look at the paint. It's painted with Harley Davidson paint, custom. It looks really good. All right. Tires are good. Factory rims. Factory tailgate. Look at the chrome on the bumper. Exhaust has the chrome tips. Look at the bed. Bed is in good shape. Great shape, really. Come on down it. Show you the side, show them the roof. The roof is all good, no faded paint on it. The truck really looks good. Let me open the hood. Brand new transmission. Motor's been rebuilt. Listen to it fire up. Sounds great. Nice cold air is blowing in it. We'll rev the motor up.